based on to solve a problem statement in HackerRank. So if you can see my screen, can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so कैसे करना है पहले HackerRank, Google out HackerRank. So I'm just telling you the method how to solve that particular question. So I had posted a question in Classroom as well as Cold Poll. So you have to go to HackerRank. You need not create a account and all. You can just log in. You have to select for developers. You have to log in there using your. You can log in using your Google account. Okay. So need not create a special account for this. Yes, so I have logged in using the Google account. Now what you have to do is you have to go to, if you can see the screen here, skills available for practice. Can you see it? Can you see it? Okay, select data structures. I've already given the direct link. You can directly click on that. And there are many, problem statements given here. You can see that insert a node and all. So, why it's actually a kind of challenge, and this kind of questions you are going to face when you go for some competitive programming challenges and all. So just as a practice, you should know how to use this platform. So yes, I have asked you all to do binary search tree insertion. If you can see, can you see this?
Yes,
Can you
ma'am.
Yes,
see?
ma'am.
Okay. Click on solve challenge. Okay. Now here they have given you the problem statement. What they have given you is you are given a pointer to the root in a binary search tree and the values has to be inserted into the tree. And you have to insert it in such a, you just have to complete the function. What does that mean? See, they have given you a sample input and a sample output. तो binary search tree का insertion already किया है class में. तो कैसे करना है अभी देखो यहाँ पे कोड दिया है नीचे. Almost every part of the code is given. I'll just show you. This part of the code wasn't given. Okay, this I have typed it. Okay, so far, so much was given. Okay, so far it was given, and some part of the code is hidden. You can see this. So what they're telling you is to complete this insert node function. बाकी कुछ मत टच करना. ये जो इंसर्ट नोड फंक्शन है ये आपको कंप्लीट करना है. समझ में आया क्या? बाकी सब कोड आपके लिए लिखा है. इट्स ऑलरेडी डन. As per the problem statement, they are saying insert values into the appropriate position in the binary search tree and return the root of the updated binary tree. You just have to complete the function. समझ में आया है क्या वो? Is it clear? Have
Yes,
you
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
understood what you have to do? So insertion में
Yes,
क्या
ma'am.
होता है? Can you tell me how a binary search tree works? Insertion में.
First we'll check that root is equal to null and then like get a new node, and afterward we'll just compare like data if it is less than or greater to the left or right node, according to that we'll insert.
Yeah. So if you do it like that, you'll write if, you will type it like this. If the root, it's already, see, don't use your own variables. They have already given you the variable. So use that. If root is equal to null, then you return, what you do is you return, yes, a new node with the data. So that is the first statement of the algorithm. Have you understood? If the root is null, matlab the tree doesn't exist. In that case, if the root is null, return the new node with the data value. Okay. Now, okay, if, okay, what you do, roots left, or you can say the data given is less than the root's left pointer, what will you do? Okay, less than the left pointer, you will do root equal to, you again call the insert function root left with the data. Can somebody tell me why I did this? Not left, sorry, data. Can somebody tell me what is the meaning of this?
If that data it is less than the the root one, it will go to the left part.
Yeah. So, agar given data is less than the roots data, then go to the, make it to the left subtree. So, kaise root ka left, go to the left and insert it in the left. So, you're going to recursively call this function. Else, what you're going to do? If it is greater, you will do root right.
Right.
Yeah, right equal to insert root
Right of data.
right comma data. समझ में आया क्या? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And yes, and finally return that root. Okay, so this is what has to be done. And let's check if it is correct. How do you check it if it is correct? You are going to, don't submit the code directly. क्या हुआ? Anything? Cancel. Run the code and check it out if it is okay. If there are a see. So my first test case has been successfully completed. Can you see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Can
ma'am.
you see it? So that means I have successfully done with my first test case. And after running the code, if you are done with the first test case, then submit the code. So they will be, hidden test cases. See, saw all the test cases have been completed. Saw it?
Yes, ma'am.
So now you see you have earned 20 points. Got it? Understood? So this screenshot has to be uploaded in as the assignment. Is it clear? Screenshot मतलब आपका login भी हो जाएगा. यहाँ पे आपका login नाम भी होगा. यहाँ पे देखो. You can see on the right end. So try to download it as a document such that everything comes. Have you clear? So this page has to be uploaded as your completion. समझ में आया है क्या? Have you got it how it is to be done, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is just a practice platform. For me, you have to do binary search insertion. Otherwise, you can, practice, different kinds of programming here. There are, different problem statements which will help you to, improve your coding skills. किसी को कुछ डाउट है? समझ में आया ना ये कैसे यूज करना है? Is it clear? Any doubts?